GTS 4 Mini is very cool because it comes with a lot of new features compared to the previous GTS 2 Mini. Mighty in spirit, this stylish smartwatch has a lightweight yet strong aluminum alloy and plastic middle frame integrated into the sleek watch body and comes complete with a soft and skin-friendly silicone strap. 9.1mm ultra slim 19 grams ultralight and metallic middle frame, and its weight with strap is 31.2 grams and a button on the side of the GTS 4 Mini. Colorful, crisp, and crafted from elegant glass, the 1.65 HD AMOLED display of the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini makes your day to shine like never before. 70.2% screen-to-body ratio, 309pp. GTS 4 Mini resolution is 336 into 384, and its touchscreen is tempered glass plus anti-fingerprint coating. GTS 4 Mini comes in 4 beautiful colors: midnight black, flamingo pink, mint blue, moonlight white. This ultra-compact smartwatch packs a mega-powerful 270 mAh battery for energy that challenges the limits of size. With typical usage, battery life will be 15 days. With heavy usage, battery life will be 8 days. With battery saver mode, battery life will be 45 days. With continuous GPS usage, battery life will be 21 hours. And it takes approx. 2 hours for full charge. Whether you prefer a watch face with a traditional look or something more modern, maximize your style with the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Wide selection of watch faces, matching always-on displays, animated and editable watch faces. Upload your own photo. All these features are also available in GTS 4 Mini. Walking, running, cycling, yoga, and more. Whichever activity makes you challenge yourself, you'll likely find a sports mode for it on the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Jump into action quickly with smart recognition of walking, indoor walking, outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, elliptical, and rowing machine. A water resistance grade of 5 ATM means the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini can resist the equivalent of up to 50 meters water pressure. And whenever you fancy a trip to the pool or the beach, the watch's pool swimming and open water swimming sports modes can scientifically track your swimming data. The watch supports 5 satellite positioning systems to help you make the most of your journeys into the great outdoors and uses circularly polarized antenna technology to improve positioning performance and accuracy. The days of stopping what you're doing to measure your health data are over. 24-hour monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress level. Easily test your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, and stress level simultaneously with a single tap of the watch for a result in as quick as 45 seconds. And to keep you on top of your game, the watch will send helpful health reminders for abnormally high or low heart rates, abnormally high stress levels, abnormally low SpO2 levels, and stress-reducing breathing exercise. Track your sleep quality through the light and deep sleep stages, and even the REM stage, where dreaming is said to occur. You can check your results directly on the watch when you wake up for maximized convenience. Challenge what it means to take control of your day. Easily set an alarm, ask a question, get a translation and more with the Amazon Alexa feature of the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Smooth interactions and a tailored UI make it easy to find what you're looking for with this light and low-power consuming OS. The rich app ecosystem features over 10 mini apps to help enhance your daily life. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.